The following message has been transmitted at the request of local law enforcement. At 6:45 p.m. local time, reports of people collapsing on the streets due to sound emitted from a building on 8th Street. For your safety, wear earplugs and stay indoors until further notice.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of local authorities. Please pay attention to the information contained in this message. Many people have been collapsing on the streets due to a sound being emitted from an unknown source. Local law enforcement agencies are investigating this phenomenon. For your safety, stay indoors and wear ear protection. If you have any information about the cause, call the Brown County Police Department number at 206-788-9069. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Washington State Government. Please pay attention to this message. It is vital to your life. The Washington State Police are warning people of the dangerous individuals on the loose. The individual brutally killed multiple people in Brown County. The situation is worsening by the hour. The individual is playing a sound that incapacitates people and killed them. Multiple people are already deceased in other counties. If you're in Brown County, evacuate immediately. If you're in surrounding counties, stay in your homes. Have 14 days worth of food only. Go outside for essential travel.
Whopper, 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 Junior, Double, Triple, Whopper, Flame.
This is an emergency message from the United States government for the west coast of the United States. The individual who's been killing people in Washington has been killing more people in other states like Oregon and Idaho. We suspect that they are multiple killers on the loose in the west coast of the United States. Local law enforcement are on high alert. If you see a suspicious individual, report them to your local law enforcement department. For now, stay indoors until further notice. Avoid non-essential travel if possible. If you have to go outside, be very careful and avoid dark areas where someone can ambush you. Lastly, if you hear a loud sound, get indoors immediately. This is what the individuals used to incapacitate the victims and then kill them. Thank you for listening. Normal programming will now resume.
This is an urgent message from the United States government. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The killings that happened in the West Coast are happening in other states too. Disturbing reports of the individual appearance. The individual is not human. If you see the individual, must